You're the king? And you never told us?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, welcome in general. My name is Reese and I'm so happy to have you. So I know I've been going for a good minute, but it's okay, you know, sometimes you just gotta take a break. But anyway, that's not what today's video is about. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this super cute hairstyle. I have no hair left out. This is a frontal wig. I have a frontal right here. There's no, not a frontal, a closure. This is a closure wig. I only have a closure in the middle. There's no like side anything. This hair is from a company called VR's Best, and my friend was nice enough to make me a wig out of it. She did just glue the tracks down to a cap, but this is what I'm using to get this hairstyle. I do have an initial video on this hair, so if you're interested, I will leave the link down below. But anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this hairstyle. I really just came up with it on the fly. I wanted a new look, and so this is what I came up with. So if you would like to see how to get this super cute space bun, half up half down style using a wig, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start by sectioning off one of the pigtails, and I'm just gonna comb it up into a section, and then I'm taking two little black rubber bands and wrapping them around twice. Then I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. I am grabbing a little bit of hair from off of the lace, just from the regular wig part, and then just wrapping the hair up into two little pigtails. So in order to get the buns, I made this little folded bun, and then I wrapped the remainder around the base of the bun, and then I'm going to bobby pin that in place. Then I'm gonna make it into a little fan and grab the two sides and like bring them around so it kind of looks like a little bun. And then I'm gonna bobby pin that into place. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Again, just making this little fan, wrapping the remainder around the root, and then fanning it out and putting it into a bun. And now I already pulled out the baby hairs, and all I'm going to do is take this Style Factor Edge Booster and lay down my baby hairs. The baby hairs on the wig. Y'all don't come for me. I know you can see through the lace, but I mean, let's be real. It's lace. It is imitation scalp. It's not going to look real. Anyway, so now I'm just taking this edge brush and I'm using the comb side. And as always, there's no specific way that you have to do your baby hair. You just do it the way that you prefer. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'm only going to show one side on camera because if I'm being honest, y'all, I be struggling to do my baby hairs looking in the camera. So I did do the other side off camera, but all you're going to do is just, you know, keep working with it and brushing it until it looks nice to you. You know, it's all about your preference. And that is it, you guys. You are all done, honey, so go and slay. And once again, I am doing the other side off camera, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below, and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you get directly notified. So as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.